KHUBOR Sinchar District jong kari boy ringkat ki pulit mentakasni kila Khang Khyrdop Sindan yakawe ke Khyrdop Khrong Khajana be'an jong ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council keberang Shuyeng harut surak ba National Highway 6 hakishnong Umdihar hari boy district kebelas dang ban Khrong Pisa neki kali kit marbam ki bayat na surak ba kani ke Khyrdop Khrong Khajana jong ke KHDC kadai ke badang shus dang penyeng balak keno ru ba kadai ke belashu penyeng bean bandlum khajna niki kali kit mar bapher bat minta kesni nakaliang u magister ringkat KHUBOR pulit jong ke distrik kila shimkhia banlit Khang Khyrdop Sindan ya kadai ke Khyrdop kabadan ha Umdihar hadien ke hukum balapin mi de u deputy commissioner ke Ribhoi district la ru ban kedau hang ni bahawa usnam arja apulai KHUBOR district keladap Khang ya kawe ke Khyrdop jong ke KHDC kabala penyeng hakate ke juk ke jaka Henry ke bas ngawlingo ba minta ke kinti ke KHDC hapo ke jinglam khmat jong ke parti VPP kala penyeng biang sakawe ke Khyrdop banlum khajna naki kali kitmar nakaliang u deputy commissioner ke Ribhoi district u Abhilash Baranwal uloong ba omdan menu bala ban penyeng ke Khyrdop Khrong Khajana surak ba national highway bat ki surak PWD klam de yok bor lani NOC ni ki bor badai khmi bat dei halor kete ga nongrim kum ke bor district mentakasni kala shim mi ka senjam ban Khang Khyrdop Sindan ye kete ga Khyrdop.
So came out in news that a check gate has come up in Umdihar on the national highway, and apparently the check gate belongs to KHDC. However, as per the government rules, no check gate of any department can come up over national highway or state PWD roads without adequate permission and NOC from the competent authority. So that's why when we received complaints and since there was a news report, we had to close it down.